ngasi anganba ayukta Imphal East District Police amade Indian Army gi apunba team amana Lamlai Police Station na konba Sanjenbam Khulen Terakhong amadi Gauranagar da thiba humbagi thabak chathabada khutchu khulai amadi vom kaya fagat pangamkhre Police tagi fangba paw amagi matung inna ngasi ayuk pung 3:30 dagi hauduna taruk aduai fawba chathakiba operation ado IGP Zone 1 Thamthing asangba DIG Range 1 and Herojit amade SP Imphal East District Dr. S. Ibomchagi supervision makhada District Police Imphal East, CDO Imphal East, Reserve Line Imphal East, Lamlai Police, Special Commando Khabaisoi, 8 ARB, 7 MR, E Company 86 Battalion CRPF, 1/3 GR amade 4 Assam Rifles ki team singna Sanjenbam Khulen Gauranagar amadi Terakhong da pungpham amatada search operation chathaba hauke search operation aduda fagalaba polam sing adudi 303 rifle ama SMG carbine ama AKM-A3 MK2 rifle ama 9mm pistol ama detonator yaudaba 36 high explosive hand grenade cone AK-47 gi ahangba magazine ama insas rifle gi ahangba magazine ani insas LMG rifle gi ahangba magazine ama M16 rifle gi ahangba magazine ama recover tauki haina police gi fangba power sina makha tari